This video gives an overview of the inventory system. Here we're at a food pantry, and a patron has a shopping cart full of groceries that we want to weigh out of the food pantry. The scale reads 217 pounds, so the user simply presses the Read Scale button, and the value automatically comes in. Next, they look at the cart that they're using, and they tap on the image of cart number 2, and it automatically tears the weight. When they're done, they simply click Save, and the information is automatically stored in the database. That's all there is to it. Let's take a look at several other examples so you can see some of the range of options and features that the software provides. In our first example, there's a cart that has a gross weight of 187 pounds. By clicking the Read Scale button, the weight is automatically transferred to the software. Next, we need to subtract the weight of the carts and containers, also known as tearing. Simply click the Pick Cart Container button and point to the cart that is being used. In addition to the cart, there are some additional containers. In this case, there are 4 white buckets, so simply select that icon and enter the number of that type of container. The software automatically adds up the weights and arrives at the net weight of the food being donated. Step 3 is to select where the food is coming from. Simply click the icon and then choose the in source. By default, it knows that from this source it's usually prepared foods, so simply click OK. It knows that it's only donated, so the final step is to simply click the Save button, and you can see it's automatically been recorded that prepared foods of 134 pounds has been donated into the pantry. Let's look at another example. Step 1. Read the scale. Step 2. Pick the cart that the food is on. In this case, there's more than one type of container, so we'll select the first container here, and there's one gray bin. In addition, there are 2 banana boxes. Again, the software automatically adds up the containers to arrive at a net weight. Then select where the food is coming from. Here I'm going to demonstrate that you can have groups. So for example, if we pick that this is coming from a church, it asks which church is it coming from? And then what type of commodity is it? In this case, it is just miscellaneous groceries, so we click OK and save these results. You can see that that information has now been recorded to the inn for this pantry. As a final example, here's a container that contains food for discard. Again, step 1 is to read the scale. Step 2, pick the container. Step 3, we're going to select that this is discard, non-produce. And finally, save. Here the net weight has been recorded in the out. It's that simple. The software also offers a host of reports, including summaries by month, by commodity, in, out, and even Feeding America reports. It also includes an Excel file that allows you to extract the data from the database, creates a nice summary report for both the in and out records, and also includes the details so that you can even create your own filters and reports and charts. And of course, all of this is customizable. You can create your own in sources, your out sources, your own groups, and your own containers. That way it fits the operations of your food pantry. contact us for additional details.